Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the firecracker shake. So I'm adding my ice and water. I'm doing about 20 ounces of ice and water. Add more ice if you like it thicker. And this will be better for a dome lid. I'm adding 2 scoops of our French vanilla healthy meal, 2 scoops of our vanilla PDM drink mix, and then I'm adding some cheesecake pudding mix. I'm going to blend that up. Then I'm going to decorate the cup with Blue Blast and strawberry stevia. Easy on the stevia because it will overpower it. Pour it in. It makes a real pretty design. And top it with some whip and some more strawberry and Blue Blast stevia. And that's how you make the firecracker shake. Thanks for watching.